So we found this spot last time, and we were pretty excited about it for two reasons. One is there are sort of pockets of gravel. I'm not sure if you can see this. It's pretty silty in general, but you get these pockets of gravel, and there can be deposits of bigger fossils. I mean, they can be anywhere, but they're more likely to be in places where there's where the current is bringing and depositing larger gravels.
So yeah, that thing, y'all, is from Target office supplies, but it works really well because it sifts through all the items there. Just playing a game of what looks different than the other items and seeing if we can find anything like that really pops. I wish it were a tooth, y'all, but I don't think so.
Prize of the day, chat. This guy, shark's tooth. We have a bunch of belemnite stuff here. We might not keep all of it, but we can just see. This is the one you found. That's the cross section, which is pretty cool. But we have a couple of smaller ones also. Two of the tips. I want to keep at least one of them. Maybe we'll keep both of them just since we haven't found them before. We have a tip of a shark's tooth. We have some shells. We have a whole bunch of belemnite stuff, though.